Morning. This is Arnie Waters here at Waters Capital in Boston. I hope you're having a terrific day. As we start out this day, I want you to be very careful about your gold positioning. We keep telling you that you want to be very careful because gold appears to be setting up a solid base. That solid base is not justified by volume. Our long-term view over the next 90 days through the end of the year is very, very positive, very, very bullish on gold. But we need to be very, very focused on the idea that may be some tough trading ahead. As is customary, we've developed some short-term strategies in options and futures, and if you'd like to get in touch with us about those, please give me a call directly on 781-380-8888. As we're looking out at markets today, the big news, of course, is the Deutsche Börse in takeover talks with New York Stock Exchange. We find this very significant. We hope that the merger goes through because it'll further internationalize markets, which is great stuff for the future of the global economy. Part of our view is that we encourage our clients to think about food. If you don't know how much food has gone up in the last few days, talk to your wife. If you've been in the store, you know how much food has gone up on a year-to-year basis. The reason we think food is important is on a relative basis, that's a pain in the ass in, that's a pain in the rear in the United States. In parts of the developed world, it's a really big problem because what's happening in these areas like the Middle East, like Sub-Saharan Africa, is that you're having a situation where not only are people not getting jobs now, but the government subsidies, and this is even impacting our Iranian, whatever they are, our government subsidies of food are being eliminated. And this has the effect of making food prices go to the moon. So when that happens, taken together with poor education, poor job outlook, it sets up a real tinderbox ready to explode. So we see this issue, the international food crisis, which we really haven't spoken of very much because it, on its surface, seemed to us kind of far from our concerns, at least as investors, not as human beings. So part of the point I'm trying to make here is start, getting this food concept into your ideas to color your investing going forward, because it will in turn, of course, provide further international instability. And I have to say this, we're not for international instability. We're for understanding what's going on so that our investments can be solid and effective. This is Arnie Waters. Aim for the ice flows, not the open water. Keep swinging.